Do you ever feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day? Like you're constantly running from one task to the next, with no time to breathe or focus on what really matters? If you're anything like most of us, you've probably found yourself overwhelmed by your never-ending to-do list. Meetings, emails, deadlines, family commitments, the list goes on, and the clock just keeps ticking. But what if I told you that with the right techniques, you can take control of your time and turn the chaos into something more manageable? Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore time management strategies specifically designed for busy people like you. Whether you're balancing a full-time job, running a business, managing a family, or all of the above, these proven time management techniques will help you reclaim your time, reduce stress, and boost your productivity. So if you're tired of feeling like you're constantly behind, stick around. We're about to dive into how you can become the master of your time. Section 1: The Importance of Time Management. Before we dive into the techniques, let's take a moment to understand why time management is so crucial. Time is the one thing that we can never get back. Once a minute, hour, or day is gone, it's gone forever. And the more disorganized and chaotic our days are, the more we feel the pressure to catch up, which leads to stress, burnout, and inefficiency. But when we manage our time effectively, we not only get more done, but we also create space for what really matters: pursuing our goals, spending time with loved ones, or simply relaxing. The key to all of this: developing a solid time management plan that works for your unique lifestyle and priorities. Section 2: The Time Management Challenge for Busy People. Now, let's talk about the challenge itself. When you're busy, it feels like there's always something demanding your attention. Emails, social media, urgent tasks, and a million other distractions. You can't focus on one thing for too long before another interruption pops up. So how do you get anything done when it feels like you're always in firefighting mode? Well, the first step is to acknowledge that it's not about working harder or doing more, it's about working smarter. Time management isn't about squeezing every second out of your day, it's about ensuring that you're spending your time on the right things. Section 3: Time Management Technique Number 1, the Pomodoro Technique. Let's start with one of the most popular techniques for staying focused and productive, the Pomodoro Technique. This method is perfect for busy people who struggle to sit still for long periods of time. Here's how it works: you set a timer for 25 minutes and focus solely on one task. No distractions, no checking your phone, no jumping to another project. After 25 minutes, you take a 5-minute break. Once you've completed 4 Pomodoros, 25-minute work sessions, you take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This technique is powerful because it breaks your work into manageable chunks, reduces the temptation to multitask, and helps prevent burnout. Plus, knowing that you have a break coming up keeps your energy high and your focus sharp. Section 4: Time Management Technique Number 2, Time Blocking. Next up, we have time blocking. This is a technique that involves scheduling blocks of time on your calendar to work on specific tasks or activities. Instead of leaving your day open-ended with vague to-do lists, you allocate specific time slots for specific activities. For example, you might block out 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. for deep work, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. for meetings, and 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. for emails or administrative tasks. The key here is to be intentional with your time. By setting these boundaries, you're telling yourself, and others, what you're focusing on during that block of time. Time blocking is a game changer for busy people because it helps reduce the mental clutter of constantly wondering, what should I do next? It gives you clarity and structure, which makes it easier to stay on track. Section 5: Time Management Technique Number 3, the Eisenhower Matrix. One of the most effective ways to prioritize your tasks is using the Eisenhower Matrix. This tool helps you categorize your tasks based on urgency and importance, so you know where to focus your energy. The matrix divides your tasks into 4 categories. 1. Urgent and important. These are tasks that need to be done immediately, like meeting deadlines or handling emergencies.